I think we need to tell them about the night watchman that's been seen here at the Hope Furnace.
Yeah, and we just made it to the Hope Furnace. It's right over there.
Well, hello there, parapeeps, and welcome to another episode of Our Haunted Travels. I am your host, Sean Donnelly.
I'm your co-host, Marianne Donnelly.
We are here at the Hope Furnace. Hope Iron Furnace, actually, to be exact.
True.
But before we show you this awesomely interesting place, if you're into the paranormal, history, and forensic type videos,
don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ding that little bell, so you'll hear from us next time we post a new video.
So the Hope Iron Furnace, that's where we're at. I'm going to flip this around here and show you guys. So we just arrived, and there is nobody else here. We're in the middle of the Zielinski Forest.
Zielinski State Forest.
Yes, Zielinski State Forest. The only thing that's here besides us are the insects and wildlife. And they're dive bombing us already. So yes, I know I'm going to...
There are so many little gnats.
Oh, they're everywhere.
I wonder if they could see it in the video.
So yeah, this used to be a working furnace. The city of Hope is a ghost town. It doesn't exist anymore. But this is one of the remaining furnaces. Oh, of course there's steps. There's always steps. But there's no gift shop. I don't see a gift shop. There's steps, but no gift shop.
There is a little thing down there for donations.
Oh, okay. So there's trails down there for our hiking fans, our hiking friends and fans. That would be your area down past the bathrooms. We're not hiking, sorry. Wow. Let's see if I brought my recorder. I think I may have. Yes, I have. I'll have to turn on my recorder. We'll walk around here a little bit and then I'll get some more B-roll shots for you guys. Okay, got my recorder going. Okay, so this is July 8th, 2019. We're at the Hope Iron Furnace. My name is Sean.
I'm Marianne.
Of course, we forgot the bug spray in the car.
Details.
Details. Marianne's been complaining about a mosquito bite for 3 days. She's going to have a lot more.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 on my leg that I've had for days.
So Marianne's trying to connect the dots.
Funny.
That's what she's trying to do.
Funny.
Are there any spirits that like to come and communicate with us? You could come down and speak into any one of these devices that we have here. I don't have my spirit box, so they won't be able to hear this, but we'll go over this recording, and if we hear anything, we'll show that here. You're not allowed to use our energy, but you can use the energy of these devices. They are fully charged. Is there anybody here who wants to come down and speak with us? My name's Sean. Can you tell me your name? This is just amazing. I hope Marianne's like getting shots to kind of depict the size of this thing, because it is huge compared to me. Yeah, use Sean as the gauge to gauge the size of the furnace. because Sean is a big boy.
There you go, dear.
Well, I don't know if I lost my status of big boy.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm getting there.
A few more Happy Trails hiking things to do
Yeah.
first.
I'm getting there. Are you still here watching over the furnace? Can you come down and tell me your name? Now it's possible, based on the claims, that this is a residual haunting. That's very possible, because the claims say that the night watchman comes out during a lightning storm. I haven't found anything that says that he has spoken to anybody. They only see him walking with the lantern. So we're just doing a quick little test. All right, well, if you've left us a message, we want to thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Appreciate it. I can see why you're still here. It's quite beautiful out here. So, all right, I'm going to end the session. What was that? Something slithering over there. I think that was a snake.
I'm trying to figure out what you say. Big fan? That one up there looks like it says cheese.
All right, guys, the insects are starting to pick up here, so we'll get some clips here, a little bit more detail of the area, and then we'll come back here in a little bit and close it up. So watch this. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're going to wrap it up here from the Hope Furnace in, I don't know, MacArthur, well, outside of Athens. I don't know, the Zelensky Forest. Zelensky Forest, like I said. Okay, folks, till next time.
Thanks for watching.
And happy hunting. Let us know if you like this video by hitting that thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see more videos from us in the future, support our channel by hitting that subscribe button and dinging that bell so you get notified the next time there's a video from Panic D Videos.
Thanks for watching.
Happy hunting.